بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
إذا السماء انشقت.
In the name of Allah, the All-Merciful, the Most Compassionate, when the heaven is split asunder,
وأذنت لربها وحقت.
and will listen to the command of its Lord, and it is right that it should be so.
وإذا الأرض مدت.
And when the earth is spread out,
وألقت ما فيها وتخلت.
and has cast out all that was in her, and is empty,
وأذنت لربها وحقت.
and will listen to the command of its Lord, and it is right that it should be so.
يا أيها الإنسان إنك كادح إلى ربك كدحا فملاقيه.
O man, you are striving hard towards your Lord, then you will meet him.
فأما من أوتي كتابه بيمينه.
Then whoever is given his account in his right hand,
فسوف يحاسب حسابا يسيرا.
he truly will face an easy reckoning,
وينقلب إلى أهله مسرورا.
and will return to his people, rejoicing.
وأما من أوتي كتابه وراء ظهره.
But whoever is given his account behind his back,
فسوف يدعو ثبورا.
he shall call for destruction,
ويصلى سعيرا.
and roast in the blaze.
إنه كان في أهله مسرورا.
For he lived, sunk, in pleasure with his people.
إنه ظن أن لن يحور.
He truly thought that he would never return to Allah.
بلى إن ربه كان به بصيرا.
His Lord, however, was ever watchful over him.
فلا أقسم بالشفق.
I swear by the afterglow of sunset,
والليل وما وسق.
and by the night and what it gathers together,
والقمر إذا اتسق.
and by the moon, when it is at the full.
لتركبن طبقا عن طبق.
That you will journey on from stage to stage.
فما لهم لا يؤمنون.
So what is the matter with them that they believe not?
وإذا قرئ عليهم القرآن لا يسجدون.
And when the Quran is recited to them, do not bow before Allah.
بل الذين كفروا يكذبون.
However, those who disbelieve continue to deny.
والله أعلم بما يوعون.
And Allah knows best what they are hiding.
فبشرهم بعذاب أليم.
So give them news of a painful doom.
إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم أجر غير ممنون.
Except those who believe and do good works. For them is a reward which will never be cut off.
بسم